Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked me to place order for this particular shoe right here on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you how we place order on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. If this is exactly what you need also, you can as well send your link and exactly what you need from Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yahu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDVs, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the product link right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. And here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is going to open up the product link right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, I need to select the color that I want. Having selected the color, I need to scroll down right here and choose the size. Then having selected the size, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed with payments. And go ahead and enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot the proof of payment right here. To screenshot the proof of payment. Now go ahead and click on done right here. And click on here to close this form up. Lastly, I will go back to my profile. And for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. Then the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like so. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp right here. Now click on here, gallery, then proof of payment, and say payments done. Send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 168, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDVs, or JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.